Part D to F is using your calculator to get all the 12 marks, so it's good thing. So sketch it in the calculator and then copy the feature. What feature? Asymptotes, intersection with the axis. Okay, try to sketch it. And you should get this result. Remember, use the broken line to show all the asymptote and then the intersection point with the axis. Part E, use a calculator again, find the range of f. You see the f can be infinite, negative infinite, right? But it has a local maximum here and a local minimum here. And you have to use the calculator to find out these two values. This one is negative 18.7 and that one is negative 1.34. So you know for part E, okay, y is less than or equal to negative 18.7 and y is larger than or equal to negative 1.34. Okay, for part F, you have to compare fx and x. So you have to draw the straight line of y equal x. You read in the calculator, of course, okay, 45 degree, 45 degree. And then it asks that fx is above y equal x. So above it, so this part and this part. Right, so you have to find out the value of the x. So find out the intersection point of this one. And using the calculator, you can find is negative 21.1. So for all x value, because there's no equal sign, so less than negative 21.1 is okay. For the other part, be careful. This one is a negative 3, okay? So from negative 3 to this point of intersection, very teeny tiny one, but you can still find it by the calculator, is a 1.14. So between negative 3 and 1.14, the fx graph is about the y equal x graph. So this is the solution of the inequality. You got it? This paper too, you need to use your calculator very well.